I just want to point out that I stole this hat from Tyler. I legit stole this hat. He says he has 200 more, which is great because I'm not giving it back. More. Also, I'm standing on a box. I'm standing on a box because
the guy
he's so
from the
much
control room came out and
taller
was like,
than me.
We should put this box in here.
Yeah,
we
so
should make sure we're
so you're welcome for that. Yeah.
So one of the cool things about working on a project for this long, I think I've worked for 4 different companies now, and at each company I've brought Jenkins into that into that organization, with the exception of CloudBees, which does sort of enterprise Jenkins stuff. And the cool thing about working on a project for that long is it's become very, very well known, very well adopted. It's really actually funny to be in a Microsoft studio talking about a Jenkins project on my Linux laptop with Microsoft logos all over the place. Like, the world has changed dramatically since the project started, which is both really promising, but it's also really good for us because we've been able to help drive some of that change in the software industry. So because we're an open source project, all of our infrastructure and our code, our Jenkins files, our Terraform, our Puppet, the Java code, front-end code, all of that is open source on GitHub. But because we are the Jenkins project, we also use Jenkins very heavily to run our own infrastructure.
As one does, yeah.
As one does. I mean, if you're gonna Jenkins hard, right? So this is our actual live Jenkins instance. If you go to CI Jenkins.io, you can witness all of the crazy shenanigans that the Jenkins project has running at once. But we actually, so I'll show you some of the stuff that we've got going on, like our Terraform pipeline. And this interface, this is Blue Ocean. And this is one of those sort of big jumps for the Jenkins project.
Right.
Where all of a sudden, Jenkins doesn't look like it was developed in 2006. It looks like some really thoughtful people came together and built something really, really great.